This is something they never told you about YouTube. You think YouTube was created just for entertainment. But that is not the real reason. YouTube was created to solve a serious problem. And almost nobody talks about it.
Before YouTube, the internet had almost no video.
Uploading videos was extremely difficult.
Sharing a video could take hours.
Most videos stayed private.
Oh, look at that beach. I remember this.
Yeah, that was a great trip.
So glad we have this.
There was no simple platform. No central place for video. The internet was not ready for video.
But people were ready.
They wanted to share moments.
And the system failed them. That frustration created opportunity. An idea began to form.
One click, one video.
That idea became YouTube.
YouTube was created by 3 former PayPal employees. That's right, they saw the potential for video sharing. And the rest is history.
Chad Hurley, Steve Chen, and Jawed Karim.
They were not media executives. They were problem solvers. Let's break down this issue.
Agreed. The data shows a pattern.
Exactly. This variable is key.
Let's test that hypothesis.
They wanted video sharing to be easy.
No special software.
No downloads. Sharing a video could take hours.
Anyone could share.
Anyone could watch. That was revolutionary. People joined fast. The platform scaled.
YouTube started growing.
Much faster than expected.
YouTube gave people a voice.
Hey everyone, check this out.
Wow, that was epic. Let's go again.
Fresh ingredients make all the difference. Anyone could create.
No permission needed.
Education changed.
Entertainment evolved.
News spread instantly.
Culture became global.
Small creators became famous.
Careers were born. Money followed attention. Advertising changed forever. Media lost control.
People gained control.
Truth spread faster. So did lies.
Youth reflected humanity.
YouTube reflected humanity. YouTube reflected humanity. YouTube reflected humanity.
The good and the bad.
But it connected the world.
In one place.
That was the real purpose. Connection.
And freedom.
Not just entertainment.
But a platform for humanity.
To share ideas.
To learn video editing.
To learn Excel formulas. To learn cooking skills. To learn.
To inspire.
That is why YouTube exists. Every video is a voice.
Every view is a connection.
And it all started with a problem.
A simple problem.
And a simple solution.
That changed the world. Forever. Now you know.
The real reason.
Why YouTube was created. Not for fame.
Not for money.
But for connection.
And it all starts when you press play.